siyabe singalenzanga iqiniso abantu bakithi masingakhulumanga nge-album kaMartin phecelezi I would like maybe to make a review or a reaction to i-album kaMartin, but we all know imithetho yama social media lapha ngama copyright and all that. So by the way, liyabona lana ukuthi siyisupport induna induna isha i-album emnandi kakhulu bantu bakithi, ngeke sikuphike lokho. My favorite song I always say ukuthi ilana ethi abakhongi, but again siqale nje mhlawumbe sikhuluma i-album le ngoma ezi5, right? Siyaqala ngayiphi? Ngobheka ubone, which is the title album, which is the title of the album, yabona. So ingoma emnandi kakhulu for me is uBakhuzeni reincarnation, yabona. It's got the same message as uBakhuzeni, but imnandi kakhulu. And also I would like ukuthi ngitshayela abachaye iziginci izandla, hayi iziginci zishaywe bantu bakithi, clean job, clean, hayi iziginci zishaywe mangamabi. Ingoma zipholishekile zimnandi, ubheke ubone nje uthi mawuqala nje ngayo ingoma landa nje vele uhluzo nje nelesizukuma ukuthi yeah, this is a well orchestrated album. Siye ngaphi mhlambe kungoma elandelayo esikhalanga, imnandi kakhulu. Mina ngokwami personally isikhalanga angisazi, like angikhona ukusikhuluma and all, but I understand, ngiyasizwa nje isikhalanga, yabona. I love it. And ingoma lana esikhalanga I won't lie, ingoma lena esikhalanga it might be the best song ku album ena lana, yabona. Mnandi kakhulu. And even the message yakhona mangiyizwa mina it says ukuthi ubaba wangikhulisa kahle, manje ngiyakhona ukuzisebenzela akazange ngidodoze. Hayi imnandi kakhulu, imnandi kakhulu. Abasazi isikhalanga abazangifakazela. So it's a beautiful Khalanga song, and siyazi ukuthi uMartin vele on all his albums hlezi kule ngoma esikhalanga, which is probably a tribute to it's a tribal tribute, yabona ukuthi yena he is Khalanga, so obviously kumele pay tribute to his tribes and all that. So it's a beautiful thing to do. And I guess from this is Khalanga that we relate a lot to Khalanga, because most of us we've got Khalanga backgrounds, but sesalahlekelwa isikhalanga along the way. So ingoma ezinje, so maze ushala uyeza ukuthi there is something Khalanga in me, yabona. So it's a beautiful song. And then maybe see to the next song ethi Bahle. I don't know the story behind, but I've heard abantu besisho ukuthi it's apparently based on a true story. Martin once visited a certain place and wathola abantu beyilesi simo lesi acula ngaso engomeni yakhe ethi Bahle. It's a beautiful song, but for me it's not the best, like according to numbering yami, it is probably the least, yabona. First ngabakhongi, then secondly I will say maybe ngobheka ubone, thirdly ngesikhalanga, bese kusithi John, and then bese ugcina ngayo. So it's not ukuthi maybe I'm mnandi, no, it's beautiful, but according to me ingu number 5. So Bahle imnandi kakhulu ingoma. Then bese singena kule eyami ke ele base elenkosi phakathi abakhonyi. What a beautiful song. Ethi uyesithandwa wambulalisa ngenhliziyo, selokhu ngibalisa njalo mina ngilindile. Yeah, so kuhlabela abantu bakithi it's not my thing, but something along those lines. Uthi uthembisile ukuthi uzofika uzongibona izolo, awusafika, ngabe kwenze njani? Hayi come on, ibhesi echaya lapha abantu bakithi njengoba ngishilo ukuthi iziginci, hayi salute. So siyabonga kakhulu induna abantu bakithi isishayile i-album emnandi that I think it's a classic album ezahlala isikhathi eside njengoBakhuzeni kanje, yabona. So we only hope ukuthi he won't, angeke azathatha isikhathi eside njengesikhathi asithetheyo to from uBakhuzeni to manje. Ngiyazi ukuthi akhona amanye ama-album akakhipha, but yabona nguBakhuzeni and this album they've got something. Lawe mawilalela nje you can tell ukuthi there is something about them. Siyebo yes siyabona abanye uyavuma and all that, but this one it's something different. So yeah, sidlule lapha na uBakhongi bese singena to one powerful message, especially to thina majida, yabona. Impilo yanamhlanje isafani lakudala, yabona. Akusekho lula ukuthi umuntu azale umntwana behlale lo mfazi nje kube njalo, abadala bebala because asisekho duze labadala, asalayekanga, sesikhatshana kwamanye amazwe. So you tend to do your things, yabona, ube lo mntwana ngapha, ube lo mntwana ngapha. But that song, yabona, it encourages ukuthi even if i-situation yakho injalo, never forget your kids, yabona. othi John sondele ebantwaneni bayakufuna, John sondele ebantwaneni bayakudinga njengoyise wabo. Yebo ngiyavuma lihlukene lo mama wabo, ungakhalala abantwana bebancane kumele ubakhulise. Imnandi kakhulu bantu bakithi, imnandi. Ungalaleli ukucula kwami ngoba mina I'm just bad in singing, but uhambe uyozilalelela ingoma lezi. It's a beautiful album bantu bakithi, angifuni ukuqamba amanga. This is, I don't want to lie, this is one best album that I've heard like since Ubakhuzeni from Martin. I don't want to lie, i-album emnandi kakhulu. I don't want to ukuthi maybe undermine eminye imisebenzi yakhe and all, but according to me this is the follow-up to Ubakhuzeni. So yeah, ungahambe uyozilalelela abantu bakithi. I wanted to do a proper reaction, maybe ngithi mangikhuluma nguchayela ingoma, but we all know about ama-copyright and all that. So take my word and go and listen to ingoma zenduna. Uthenge i-merchandise enduna, ama-CD, uthenge enjebona izikipa zakhona, beautiful izikipa, uyabona lawe, sha ngezip eyinye premium zip. You can see the logo, it's clean, nothing else, nothing written, just a normal t-shirt ongayiqoka nje uhambe emcimbini nje uyozikholisela yabona. So thank you siyabonga.